Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you some really elegant and adorable hairstyles that you can use for the holiday season. Just cute hairstyle ideas for the holiday season. Yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified for when I upload my videos. And let's jump straight into the video. So for style one, very simple, very easy. You're going to take some hair and tuck it behind your ear. Then you're going to take a headband to hold it down. This headband just gives it that classy retro look. Then you are going to take the top of your hair from the top of your head and form a beehive. Then hold it down with a claw clip and then go back in and make sure that it looks nice. Everything is in shape. Then fluff the back of your hair. And this is style one. Very easy, very simple to do. All the styles I'm showing you, you can literally do them in less than 15 minutes. So yeah. Also, rank your favorite ones down below from 1 to 4. Let me know your favorite hairstyles in the comments. So for style 2, you're going to be needing some bobby pins. You're going to pull one side of your hair to the back and then pin it down with the bobby pins. So I have these cute butterfly hair clips. I got them from Shein. I'm going to be using that to decorate the side of my hair. I thought it looked very, very cute with this hairstyle. And this is how you do style 2. Now for style 3, this is actually my favorite one. You're going to be doing a half up, half down style. And if you guys haven't already noticed by now, I am wearing a half wig. Yes, I am wearing a half wig from HerGivenHair. It's actually, you can actually wear it as a full wig, but I decided to wear it as a half wig. I'm going to show you guys later on in the video. But it's such a gorgeous wig that matches my hair texture really perfectly, and it's very versatile as you guys can see. But yeah, for this style, you're just going to take a band and tie some hair to the top of your head, and I decided to accessorize it with this cute little white bow that I got from the beauty supply store. And this is how you do style 3. Now for style 4, you're just going to take a simple headband. I got this headband off of Amazon. It's kind of like a crown headband, and just push that onto your hair. And that is how you do style 4. Very easy, very simple. So like I said, rate the hairstyles down below and let me know which ones are your favorites. Rank them from 1 to 4. So like I said, this is a half wig from HerGivenHair. This is the box that the hair comes in. It comes with a brush, and then you have an elastic band for extra security, an extra elastic band, and then you also have like pamphlets that show you product instructions, how to take care of the wig and stuff like that. And you also have this cute storage bag. So this is the wig. It is their U lace all-in-one half wig. So you can wear this as a regular wig in the middle part or the side part. As you can see, there is lace in front. It also comes with combs for extra security and a drawstring as well, just to make it secure in case you want to wear it as a ponytail. So you can wear this as a regular wig in the middle part or in the side part. You can wear it as a half wig. That's how I wore it in the video. Or you can wear it as a ponytail because it comes with a drawstring. So it's a very versatile wig that you can wear in so many different ways. So I went ahead to cut off the lace in front. And I'm just showing you guys that you can wear this as a regular wig. I'm placing the lace on my hand to show you that it blends really well. Now I'm gonna take the wig and put it on my head, and as you can see, I'm not braiding down my twist at the back. I'm literally just gonna throw this wig on, and because it has a lot of combs and a drawstring, the wig is still gonna fit really well on my head and it's not gonna move. So I'm just sliding the combs into my hair at the roots, and then I'm going to pull the drawstring to secure it. And as you can see, the wig is secure on my head, even though I did not braid my hair down at the back. So this is already a style in itself. You can just clean up the bun in front, and you have like a half up, half down with the bun in front. So now I'm just blending my hair with the wig, just playing around with it, molding it and shaping it until it looks nice. This is a very nice half wig and it matches my hair texture perfectly. It's really important to get a wig that matches your hair texture. It just makes the blending process much easier, and it's a really nice wig. It's their all-in-one half wig, 18 inches. It's definitely about to be one of my go-to wigs. Like, I just love all the hairstyles I can do with this wig. Let me know what you guys think down below, and don't forget to rate the hairstyles in the comments. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I just wanted to show you guys some really cute styles that you could do for Thanksgiving, for the holiday season, if you're going for any Thanksgiving dinners, holiday parties, or anything like that. I love natural textured afro wigs that really match my hair. I love this look. This is one of the best natural hair textured wigs I have ever used. It matches my hair perfectly. I have 4C hair and I got the 4B4C texture. It's very important to get a wig that matches your own texture of hair. It just makes the blending more seamless, as you guys can see, and just makes things much easier because you don't have to worry about blending it with your own hair. This is now officially my favorite wig and I'm always going to be wearing it as a half wig. You can wear this as a regular wig. You can also use it to do a ponytail, but personally I will be wearing this as a half wig. I just love how I'm able to do so many different styles. It just gives me a lot of versatility. So yeah, so this is a very versatile wig. You can wear as a regular wig, in the middle part, side part, ponytail. So yeah, I absolutely love this. The hair is from HerGivenHair. I'm gonna put all the information down below in the description box in case you want to get it. They're also doing a Thanksgiving sale right now, so definitely hop on that if you want to save some money on this wig. They also have other textures, so regardless of what your hair texture is, you definitely find something that works for you. Again, this is for the 4B4C girlies. And HerGivenHair also has a very wide variety of natural hair wigs and extensions, ponytails, whatever you're looking for. They probably have it on their website. They even have clip-ins as well. So definitely check out their website and see what works for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!